The Bob Murray Gardens at the St. Francis Professor Thiagarajan Foundation. Spring 2023, revived after many years. Professor Thiagarajan grew his own food. He had leafy greens and squash and cucumber and melons, tomatoes, peppers, a variety of herbs, and would harvest from these gardens and use it in his own cooking and in his food. This would have been in the 90s and the early aughts, long before it became more fashionable in suburban areas. Professor Thiagarajan was always very much attuned to zero carbon, to environmental concerns. The science merely backed up the culture from Tamil Nadu. Professor Thiagarajan purchased this house after he retired from being the division director and was working as a full professor. He said that he did not want to stay on as a dean because he wanted to work with students. And indeed, here, the house that he bought long after his children had grown and moved away became a place where those students could express themselves. Bob Murray in organic chemistry was one of those many years ago. When Professor Thiagarajan purchased this house, this was what it looked like. Here you can see the very beginning of these gardens. Started with organic chemistry students, including Bob Murray. And now the Bob Murray Gardens have been brought back to life here at the St. Francis Professor Thiagarajan Foundation. Well, we planted this on the other day, right? This is the spinach side here. That's the lettuce there, but here we go. Look, we're getting the very beginning of the arugula. The arugula is sprouting here in Bob Murray 1 at the St. Francis Professor Thiagarajan Foundation. Let's see, we put these down on Thursday. And today is Sunday.